Hey there, did you know that Amazon makes a whopping $1.3 billion of sales per day? That's right, Amazon has become one of the largest e-commerce giants in the world. And the good news is, you can tap into this massive marketplace and earn money through Amazon Retail Arbitrage. Today, we'll be sharing the top 5 side hustles you can do using just your phone, so stick around to learn how you can make some extra cash in your free time. First side hustle: Amazon Retail Arbitrage. Amazon Retail Arbitrage involves buying products from retail stores and reselling them on Amazon at a higher price for profit. Identify products that are out of stock or have limited availability on Amazon and visit retail stores to find them. Ensure you buy at a low enough price to make a profit after fees and expenses. List the products competitively and provide excellent customer service to build your reputation. You can start small and gradually build your inventory as you gain experience, making it a low-capital way to start a business. Second way: becoming Discord moderator. Working as a Discord moderator can be a great way to make money, as many online communities rely on moderators to ensure that their Discord servers remain safe and enjoyable for everyone. This is how you can earn money as a Discord moderator. You can search for Discord servers that are looking for moderators, or you can create your own Discord server and offer your services to other server owners. You can charge an hourly rate, a flat fee per week or month. You can also create a moderation company. If you have experience in moderation and want to build a business around it, you can create your own moderation company that offers Discord moderation services to businesses and organizations. You can hire a team of moderators and offer a range of services, such as content moderation, spam filtering, and server management. Third side hustle: tutoring. Study Pool. Study Pool is a platform that allows students to get help with their homework and academic projects. You can offer your services as a tutor or expert and earn money by assisting students with their assignments. Another way to make money on Study Pool is to create and sell study materials such as documents, notes, and guides. If you have expertise in a particular subject or have created useful study materials in the past, you can use Study Pool's platform to monetize your knowledge. By creating and selling study materials on Study Pool, you can tap into a large market of students who are looking for quality resources to help them succeed academically. With hard work and determination, you can turn your knowledge and expertise into a lucrative online business. Fourth way: thumbnail designer for YouTube. As many of you might know, Canva is an online design tool that allows you to create various social media posts, infographics, banners, and graphic art with ease by dragging and dropping items with your mouse. You can create different designs and post them on social media. If you have a sufficient number of followers, you can get paid for promotions. Additionally, you can earn from platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour by offering various services to your clients. Many people are earning more than $1,000 by performing simple work on these platforms. Canva offers a range of design services including infographics, poster design, YouTube thumbnail design, Facebook ad design, and logo designing. Fifth way: online transcription. Transcription services involve transcribing recorded audio or video into written text. These services are in high demand as they are essential for a variety of purposes, such as academic research, business meetings, legal proceedings, and medical reports. Fiverr is a popular online platform where freelancers offer their services to clients from all around the world. To earn money from Fiverr, first, you should create an account on Fiverr and set up a profile that showcases their skills and experience. Then create a gig for transcription services with a competitive price. Third step is to promote the gig by sharing it on social media platforms, forums, and using Fiverr's built-in promotion tools. Fourth, deliver high-quality work that is accurate, error-free, and meets the client's requirements. Building a good reputation is crucial for success on Fiverr by providing excellent customer service, responding promptly to messages, and asking clients for feedback after completing an order. After getting high demand you can increase your rates, and offering additional services can help increase your earnings. That's it for this video on the top 5 side hustles using your phone. We hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.